45 videos. That's how many videos it took for me to reach 10,000 subscribers. So I started this YouTube channel back in February 2022 because I heard some guy saying if you have no social media presence, then you're basically as good as dead. No one knows who you are and you have no impact on the world. And then once you're dead and you get buried, literally no one's going to come to your funeral except your parents. Hearing that kind of hurt me, right? Which made me, as a result, want to start YouTube in February, where I was showing my journey with e-commerce so far. And a lot of people liked it. But what's so funny is that the whole time I'm like, I don't have $10 million in profit in e-commerce. So who the heck in their right mind would watch my YouTube videos? But then the first video I made, I was literally showing how I made $14 in pure profit. And I used that money to buy a shawarma wrap. And for some reason, a lot of people liked it. So I'm like, what the heck is happening? Like, I made way more money in e-commerce. And here people are like enjoying watching me make $14. So I took that as a sign and I thought I should be uploading more videos that show how I actually made money with e-commerce. And then more and more people started liking it. But then slowly, I started getting the same thing that happens to every dropshipper turned YouTuber, which is we slowly transition from making money with dropshipping to now making money with YouTube. So I want to show you exactly how much I made with YouTube ad revenue so far and what I'll be doing to make even more in the future, inshallah. Because as you know, like I want to keep this channel super duper honest. So it's fair to let you know like how much I'm actually making from this. But before that, just know that in 2022, I wasn't uploading consistently. So I started uploading consistently in September because that's when my 4 videos in February finally got monetized. So technically I started truly taking YouTube seriously in September 2022. So I just feel like maybe the growth would have been like a lot faster if I took it seriously since the beginning of February and actually uploaded consistently all year. But anyway, let me show you my computer. Okay, so we're in the computer right now and this is basically the analytics for YouTube. Now, as you can see, like I uploaded 4 videos here back in March, but before that obviously I uploaded in February and those videos finally got monetized in June. So they literally got monetized in the summer. So when they got monetized, I wasn't really uploading a lot because I was mostly focused on dropshipping. I noticed like the first day of them getting monetized, I actually made $5.82. So bro, seeing this, for some reason I was like way happier than when I made money in dropshipping for some reason. I don't even know why. And then the second day I made almost $9. So this is basically me making money from YouTube without really having to do anything, because as you can see here, like I was uploading no videos, but yet I was still making an average of $8 a day or $7, which is not that bad. So then I'm like, wait, maybe I should come and actually upload videos. So I uploaded this one where I was like, I stopped doing TikTok dropshipping, which was true at the time actually. And then like it stayed the same and all that. Oh, so at that time, this was my biggest day, which was $12. And seeing that, I'm like, damn, bro, I think I can actually make way more if I upload more. But then sadly, I uploaded this video that actually went kind of viral, but not like super viral. And it was pretty good. Like it was doing very good. But for some reason, I got demonetized because of a stupid issue. Now, I don't remember exactly what that issue was, but I remember sitting in the gym and I was just like trying to fix the issue, like getting in contact with YouTube support and all that stuff. I'm like, why the heck am I freaking demonetized? So eventually I fixed it. And that's when I'm like, okay, I gotta upload more. So I started uploading more. And then this is when I started making above $10 consistently. So as you can see here, this is 13, 14, 11. And then finally I made $35 in one day. I'm like, bro, I think I can take this even further. And then here I made $38 in one day, which was like my biggest day in that month of August. But then it dipped down because I stopped uploading once again. But still, like I was still like making at least $10 a day on average, which is like, it's not good, but it's not bad. And then this is when September came and I was like, I think I should actually take YouTube more seriously and actually put more workload on myself, because like, why not? Like work is amazing, isn't it? I always preach about work is important. Everyone needs to be doing work. So anyway, I uploaded 3 videos in September and that's when I started making $20 a day consistently. At this point, I'm like, okay, so technically I'm making $600 a month, which like I can pay for some stuff with it. Like it's not that bad. And then this is when I got my biggest day, which was $47 on September. I'm like, damn boy. And again, like it's so funny because like this is getting me more excited than when I was making money in dropshipping. I don't know why, but it just is. And then as a result, I started uploading more consistently. And I was like kind of like sharing everything I actually knew. Like I wasn't really holding anything back. And I think that's why like you guys started loving the channel more, which I'm so grateful for. And then here, like you can see, I'm hitting like $20 days consistently. And then in October, that's when I had one of my videos like not go viral, but it was a long video. So as a result, it had more ads on it. And it was the video where I was showing how to start dropshipping with $0. And as a result, I made $91 in one day. So I'm like, bro, like this seems like it could be like a stable income that I could like keep growing. But then something happened where I had to go to Iraq for like family reasons. And then that's when my channel like slightly dipped down because I was still making videos, but for some reason my videos weren't getting views. I don't know why. But anyway, I came back from Iraq, obviously. But when I came back, my channel went from making like $20 a day consistently on average to now it's just making $10 a day on average. So I'm like, okay, I think I gotta fix that. So I started uploading more, obviously. So I realized, bro, the more I upload, the more money I make because the more views I get. And like, that's literally just it. In December, that's when I actually learned how the YouTube game works. And I started uploading more videos that have the potential to go viral. Like not super viral, but like slightly viral. And that's when like I started making $50 a day, $100 a day, $60 a day. So I'm like, I think that's all I have to do is just upload videos that have the potential to go viral and that appeal to a lot of people, and videos that actually help people to actually get good results, and not like videos that I think would work. Like for some reason, like for example, in the past, I was making videos about revealing my best products of all time, but for some reason people didn't like that. I don't know why. So basically I wanted to find the balance between making viral videos and videos that actually help people, because again, when I'm making videos that I think are going to be the ones that work, for some reason they never work. But when I make videos that are proven to actually do good in the market, they do better. So I'm like, okay, if I'm trying to help a lot of people, right, I need to be making videos that can actually go viral, but at the same time add my own twist into it where I add the actual value that I'm trying to add. So I kind of realized like the more people I'm actually helping and the more I'm not gatekeeping the information in dropshipping like people do, the more people are actually benefiting and the more people are subscribing and liking the channel. So I'm like, bro, it's literally a win-win. So like, why not? Anyway, so then overall, this is how much the YouTube channel made from literally September until this date. So it's not like a huge amount of money, but like, bro, literally I made more money in dropshipping than this. But bro, like I'm truly enjoying this way more than doing dropshipping, even though like I'm telling you like dropshipping made more money than this. But like, bro, like the fact that sometimes I get people messaging me and commenting with like actual results from the tactics that I'm teaching in my YouTube videos, like it's just such a nice thing to know that, okay, like I'm actually contributing properly to society. Because once again, I started this video saying that if you don't have social media presence, then you're as good as dead. You're doing nothing to society. And bro, like that hurt me so much. But now, like when I'm actually seeing people getting real results, it's just amazing, bro. So I thank you so much for actually like spending the time to watch these videos, even though like you could have literally went to some other YouTuber and watched their videos instead. So I thank you for that. But okay, now I'm showing you all this and everything, and you're probably thinking, there's no way I started taking this seriously in September, and now like I'm actually making money from it. Well, little did you know, I actually started YouTube all the way back in 2013. Not 2022, but 2013. None of you guys know this, but I was doing YouTube like way before, and I always had this dream of reaching 10,000 subscribers. And I remember my channel, initially I was doing gaming videos, and my growth was super slow, to the point where actually the first time I reached 100 subscribers, I was so happy. Like I went to the washroom and I did wudu, and then I went and actually prayed a gratitude prayer. And I was literally like, thank you Allah for the 100 subscribers. And looking back at that now, I'm like, it was so funny, man. I'm like, I can't believe Allah's gonna turn me into a YouTuber and all that stuff, and I was just so happy about it. But bro, like I uploaded so many videos, like literally over 300 videos on my channel, and all of them now are like just unlisted. But dropshipping brought me back to YouTube, and so this is what I want to do with my channel right now. So I want to upload more videos that show people how to make money literally from scratch, because one, that's gonna help the ad revenue go up, which is nice, but also it's gonna help you realize that there's actually more methods to making money online than just dropshipping. Because I just started realizing that now, that sometimes people don't succeed in dropshipping because like they're just not made to do dropshipping. Like everyone has certain talents of their own and certain strengths and weaknesses of their own. And sometimes when someone goes into dropshipping and they don't succeed, it's because their strength is not in that. Like of course, bro, you can make a lot of money with dropshipping, but you can also make a lot of money with other side hustles too, like affiliate marketing, YouTube, Twitch, freaking literally anything. So I want to be making more videos about that, because otherwise like you'll just end up like me back in 2018, where I was just so confused on what to freaking do and trying all these side hustles and not succeeding at all. So all I ask from you is that if you appreciate the super duper honesty in this channel, then you can just like the video, bro, because inshallah there's going to be more videos coming. Because to be honest, like even though I'm making more money in dropshipping than YouTube, I'm kind of enjoying this a lot more than dropshipping. And also I'm pretty sure like little Mohammed would really thank you guys for helping him reach 10,000 subscribers now. So you guys technically made little Mohammed's dream come true. And once again, I truly do appreciate you guys watching this channel.